In this video, I'm going to show you how to see StubHub fees. StubHub often displays ticket prices without including additional fees up front, which can lead to unexpected costs during checkout. To avoid surprises on the checkout page, you can enable an option to see the total price including fees before proceeding with a ticket. To do this, first of all, select the event for which you want to buy a ticket. After that, select how many tickets you want to buy and click on Continue. Once you've done that, you will be able to see the available tickets on the right side of your screen. To see the prices, including the fees, click on the Filters option on the left side of your screen. This will open a list of different filtering options. Scroll down on this page until you reach the last option, which is Price Display Options. Under Price Display Options, you will see an option labeled Include Estimated Fees. Enable this option by clicking the checkbox next to it. Once you enable it, click on View Listings. Now, if you look at the right side of your screen, you will notice that the prices of the same tickets have increased slightly. This is because the final prices are now being displayed, including the estimated fees, and this is how you can see StubHub fees.